Let's code this e-commerce UI frontend page. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below. So let's begin. I will create a new file, and you can find all of the code in app folder, and this one case 4. Others are for other tutorials in my GitHub below. So use client, I'm using NextJS, and you're gonna npm install Framer Motion and Lucid React. Let's create the interface, ID, name, price, description, image, rating, reviews. So you can rename this to cargo pants, not sandals if you want. ID, name, price. So this is like mock data that I'm gonna use. You can find these images also in the public folder. It's just here, public folder, these images. Let's add some more products here. So 2 more products. Let's do the card. This is the product card. Handle, mouse move, card, current target, box. We're gonna do this just for the animations, I think, and we're gonna have to let's see. So if I hover over this card, you see how it zooms a bit. So we need all of this logic. Then we have handle, mouse, leave, set rotate to 0, 0, and then return something. So we're gonna return this motion, while hover, scale up, and then this style. And then we're gonna have this image. The URL will be this image URL. Then we have name, description, and this is gonna be price, and this is gonna be reviews, and add to cart. So we have price, reviews, add to cart. Okay, so shipping calculator. We're gonna use zip code, shipping cost, calculate shipping. Now you don't need to fix these underlines. If you can put types if you want. I won't do it now, but because it will work anyways. Div, shipping calculator, div again, input set zip code, and then calculate. Let's continue from here. We're gonna do this is the main page. So scroll Y, progress, header Y. We're gonna track all of these so we can use them later in our code. We have all of this stuff. Return, div. This is container reference. Then motion, and then title. Then we're gonna make a main element, section, discover a perfect summer companion. We're gonna say image, another image with this motion div, and another image. Step into summer. This is not the image, this is h3, and then section, h2 div, map the sandals or the cargo pants, and then section, shipping calculator, h3 p image, and then section, h2 div. So this is gonna be for the, let's see what this is, div. We have 3 elements of something, so div, star, 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 star. These sandals are amazing, or these cargo pants, for example. And then let's say section below, frequently asked questions div, and then let's just start mapping the questions. So we have this array of questions, and then map them. We're gonna say div, question answer, and let's do footer div, add a bunch of this stuff, all of this stuff, and all of this stuff, and that's it. That's it. This is what we have. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and contact below, and goodbye.